spot. I think it's pretty awesome, and you can tell Robert's getting his car dynoed. So I think it's ridiculously loud. Gonna do a couple fuel pulls and see how it goes, and hopefully get some rollers and a couple shots of it. But yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing tuned.
Wants to see this shit, so we're gonna see what happens right now.
It's D-Day, huh?
It's D-Day. No, cream, right-hand drive.
Right-hand drive? Mm-hmm. Cream.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Why? Why not?
Because you're bored? This motherfucker wants to shift gears with his left hand for once.
I'm gonna go Speed Tech frame.
Oh, you're not gonna put a Speed Tech frame on it.
Turbo and right-hand drive on cream.
I thought you were gonna do the why no more LSA.
Nah, I'm gonna go turbo, bro. Right-hand drive. You'll see. First right-hand drive Chevelle. Mark my words.
My guy is stressing out. So, I guess first pass, kind of tuning it out. Made 154. I guess I could be Unirace. We'll keep on. So yeah, gonna wait for them to tune it out a little bit more and then go to pass number 2. $469. Holy shit. Oh shit, 469, 420 torque. There you go. Fuck, dude, that thing is so fucking loud.
We're getting somewhere. You want more power or what?
More power, baby. What do you want it to make? Yeah. Damn! 569. Why is it the LS3's brake? Are they just like...
Is that aluminum?
Stock. Stock.
So the only way to do it is...
I mean, we can make power.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can make it bigger, but it won't last long, huh?
I mean, if you want to go out and crash it, and not worry about it, like, we gotta stay around this much for the power.
So this will last a bit?
You can go out and be off.
Nah, that's fine, bro. Leave it alone. I ain't trying to race it or anything.
The thing is, the more we clean it up, the more power it takes. I'm not adding more dyno nuts and spinning out fuel. The dyno is good.
550.
550?
550.
Oh, 469 was
First one. It's comparing between the first run and the second run.
So man, so you gained more?
$560, 460 torque.
So this is still the best one, huh?
Yeah.
The green one?
But like he said, dude, every time he does it, the line gets better. What was the last spot? So it's blue. So the blue is still a little bit better than the last one. Alright guys, so made like 4 pulls. So far the most made is 569 on like 8 pounds of boost. But I guess TK's gonna keep like working the tune out, making it better. And hopefully Robert gets to drive and maybe a burnout if we scumbag him. But what did it end up making? Like at the end?
Let's see.
So what, run?
560 and 569 were the best numbers.
569?
And the torque? 465? 474.
474 at.
Yeah. Boom. Alright, swing that shit.
Looks like you fucking painted the drum.
I did 2 hours.
That's what your fucking life is, bro. Fuck, dude.
I know what you should do. You should lay it right on top of this one and take a picture of it like that.
I'm making a mistake, dude. Ready for what?
Down.
Alright. I don't know why I'm getting in here, but I know you got a heavy ass foot and shit, but goddamn. Ooh. Oh, dude. It sounds amazing.
People are gonna go nuts.
Well, now I need to get a drone.
I need to get tire sponsors.
So you still don't want to drive home?
Bro, you just drive it. Fuck around with it. Like, you don't even want to drive.
One of those things that get you in trouble.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in trouble.
$10, he gets arrested in the first week or what? It's a good thing you live in buttfuck nowhere.
It says free Jalisco.
Alright guys, well it's been a couple days, and like always, I forgot to film an outro, so yeah, I just want to say huge shout out to Robert. Go follow and subscribe to him, follow him on Instagram, and subscribe to him on YouTube. Everything is at LS3Vel. I'll put all these links in the description. I had a sick time filming the whole dyno day, and he let me like drive it 5 feet before I stalled it, because you know, automatic life. But yeah, I had a sick time. That truck is so badass. I can't wait to go film some more stuff with it. I should be like, I'm gonna try to plan some stuff with it and go do like a real shoot with it soon. But yeah, this thing should be coming apart soon. Just waiting for a couple more parts that should have been here that actually got back ordered. So that's the problem. It's just a waiting game. I still have the Dyno's get down to get this whole thing like painted, taken apart, swapped, and I'm hoping to put a turbo on it. I actually just started buying some of the turbo stuff, so maybe I will get the turbo stuff this year. Maybe like halfway. We'll see. I haven't really ordered everything yet, but yeah, hope you're enjoying all the videos recently. I know I've kind of been switching it up, putting other people's stuff in it. If you want to see more stuff like that, just let me know. And yeah, I look forward to a lot of content on this thing in the next couple months.